Hello everyone, welcome to Insight Academy. My name is Anurag Tiwari. Today I am here sitting with Daksh, and Daksh is going to perform speaking. Daksh, how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
12 years old. Could you please turn off the AC? Yeah, it's too cold here. So Daksh is going to perform speaking. In which class do you study?
I study in class 6th.
In class 6th. Okay. Daksh, how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
12 years old. Should you speak English at your home?
Yes, sometimes I speak English at my home.
I'm asking you, should you speak English at your home?
Yes, I should speak English at my home.
Do you speak?
Yes, I speak.
Yes, I speak English.
Yes, I speak English.
Okay. How many brothers do you have?
Um, I have only one brother.
What is his name?
His name is Rishabh.
Rishabh. Do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Do you beat him?
No, I don't beat him.
You don't beat him? Does he beat you?
No, he doesn't beat me.
Does your mom beat you when you make mistakes?
Yes, my mom beat me.
My mom beats me
My mom beats me when I make mistakes.
when I make mistakes. Why are you shaking yourself? Please be quiet. Are you getting hesitated?
Yes.
Are you feeling nervous?
Yes, yes.
Don't worry, it's your first video, it happens. It's not a big deal, it's just a piece of cake, okay? Yeah. Are you able to drive a car?
No, I am not able to drive a car.
Are you able to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I am able to ride a bicycle.
Do you have your own bicycle?
Yes, I have my own bicycle.
Would you like to ride a bike in future?
Yes,
I would like to
I would like to ride bike in my future.
in your future.
Yes.
How do you go to your school?
Um, I go to school with my
By your
bike.
bike. Who drops you to the school?
My father drops me to the
To
school.
the school. Who is your favorite teacher in your school?
Um, in school, my favorite teacher is English ma'am.
English ma'am. What is her name?
Her name is Prashanti ma'am
Prashanti ma'am. Why do you like her?
because she teach well.
She teaches.
She teaches well.
She teaches well. What about me? How do I teach?
You are also teach good.
You also teach good.
You also teach good.
Am I not your favorite teacher?
Yes, you are my favorite teacher.
Oh, he's telling a lie. Don't tell a lie. Be honest, okay?
In tuition, you are my favorite teacher. In school, Prashanti ma'am.
Is your favorite teacher. Okay, I was just making fun. Don't worry. So, what are you doing right now?
I am doing speaking right now.
Okay. Are you sitting or standing?
I am sitting.
Am I lying?
No, you are not lie.
Am I walking or speaking or sitting?
You are speaking now,
Yeah.
right now.
And am I not sitting?
Yes, you are sitting.
That's nice. Is it likely to rain outside?
Yes, it is likely to rain outside.
Would you like to get bath or take bath in rain?
No, I would not like to take bath in rain.
In rain. How many hours do you study a day?
I study 4 hours.
4 hours a day.
Yes.
Oh my god. What do you consider yourself? A good boy, a good student, or a bad student, or an average student?
A average student.
Okay. Are you desirous of learning English?
Yes, I am desirous of learning English.
Do you speak English at your home?
Yes, sometimes I speak English at my home.
What about your school? Do you speak English at your home? At your school?
Yes, I speak English at my school.
What are you scared of? Are you scared of your dark? Are you scared of your mom?
I am scared of both.
Could you please tell me about your family structure?
Yes, I can tell my family structure. In my family, there are 4 peoples: my sister, my mother, and my father, and me. My father's name is Vishnu Sharma. My father's name is Vishnu Sharma, and my mother's name is Kalpana, and my sister's name is Shanvi, and my name is Daksh.
Okay. What did you do? What does your father do? What does your mother do? What does your sister do? What do you do?
Um, my father is electrician. They do job.
He does a job.
He does a job, and my mother is housewife, and my sister doesn't do anything because he's small. She is small.
Does she
And
study?
yes, she studies.
Does she go to school?
Yes, she goes to school.
What is the name of her school?
The school name is CM Model.
CM Model. Have you been to CM Model?
No, I not have been to CM Model.
Okay. Have you ever been to Mumbai?
No, I never
I
have been.
have never been
I have never been to Mumbai.
to Mumbai. Do you have a habit of dancing?
Yes, I have a habit of dancing.
Do you have a habit of swimming?
Yes, I am a habit of swimming.
Are you able to swim?
Yes, I am able to swim.
Suppose I go to Prayagraj with you. Have you heard
Yes.
of Prayagraj?
No,
You don't know Prayagraj?
I know, but I didn't go.
Yeah, okay. You know, na? Okay.
Yes.
Suppose I take you to Prayagraj. I am going to Prayagraj. I am going with you, and you are on the pull. Okay, on the bridge you are, and there I just all of a sudden I lift you up and I throw you in the water in the Ganga Ji. Will you be able to save yourself? Can you save yourself?
No, I cannot save myself.
Why can't you save yourself? As you are saying that I am good at swimming, I am able to swim. So why can't you not swim, and why can't you, sorry, and why can't you swim, and why can't you save yourself?
Because uh, uh, when I uh, कितने को क्या कहेंगे भैया?
Fall.
When I fall to Ganga, I can't save because the water is overflow.
Okay, it means if
Very
I
deep water.
it has a deep water, that's why you will not be able to swim.
Yes.
What if I throw you in a pond? There, if the water is still and it is not that depth, so will you be able to swim there?
Yes, I will able to swim
I
there.
will be.
I will be able to swim there.
Swim there. Does you will your mom watch this video?
Yes, my mom will watch this video.
Okay. Will your father watch this video?
Yes, my father also watch this video.
Will.
Will.
My father will also watch this video. Say like this.
My father will also watch this video.
This video. How many friends do you have?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you have any enemy?
Yes, I have enemy.
Who is your enemy?
My enemy is Ronak.
Who,
Ronak.
who comes in this tuition?
Yes.
Raunak is his enemy. Why?
Because
Okay.
he is hitting me.
He
Hitting me and pushing me.
hits you.
Yeah.
He pushes you. Where? Why did you not inform me?
Because he said that if you inform Will sir, I will beat a lot you.
You are scared of him.
No, I am not, but I can't tell to sir.
What the hell are you talking about? This is my tuition. I am the director of this tuition and I make the rules. Okay.
Yes.
Ronak is one of my favorite students. So you can't say like it. If there is anything like this going on, so you should have informed me. Don't you feel that? You should inform me.
Yes, I feel that I inform you.
So why did you not inform me?
Because I don't inform you because he's my friend, so I can't inform you.
He's your friend, at the same time he's your enemy.
Sometimes he friendly with me and enemy
Oh my
sometimes.
god, it's they both are crazy. Okay. Uh, in future, do you have a car?
No, in future I don't have a car.
No. For this time being, do you have a car?
No, I don't have car.
Do you have a moon ball?
Yes, I have a moon ball.
Would you like to play with that ball?
Yes, I would like to play with that ball.
Okay. At this time, what were you doing yesterday?
I am doing studies.
I was
I was doing studies at this time.
yesterday.
Yes.
Do you remember 10 days ago what were you doing at this time?
Mm, um, yes, I know.
You remember?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
Uh, I am.
I was.
I was learning my English homework.
Okay. Nice. Oh, so you have taped it. Nice. Now you have protected it. Are you bound to learn English?
Yes, I am bound to learn English.
When did you join this tuition?
I joined this tuition on 10th March.
On 10th March.
March.
Joining this tuition was a good decision or a bad decision?
Um, Good decision.
It was a good decision.
It was a good decision.
Are you tired of learning English?
No, I am not tired of learning English.
Are you enjoying learning English?
Yes, I am enjoying learning English.
Okay. Could you tell me the benefits of learning English?
Yes, I can tell. Uh, we can learn English because English helps us in many ways in school, in tuition, and any relatives' house.
Any relative's house? How does English help in at any relative's house?
Sometimes my brother says me in some words in English, so I can tell him that I also know the English.
Okay, who is your brother?
My brother is Harshit.
Harshit. I know him.
I don't know.
How old is he?
He is 10 years old.
10 years old. In which class does he study?
He studies in class 5th.
In which school?
Um,
What is it?
Maharana Pratap School.
Okay, Maharana Pratap. So he speaks English.
Yes, sometimes he speaks English.
Does he speak better than you?
No, he do not
He
speak.
does not speak.
He didn't.
He does not speak.
He does not speak better than me.
Okay, that's great. So, do you like chocolates?
No, I don't like chocolates.
Do you like toffees, candies?
No, I don't like toffees and candies.
You don't like it? Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now I have asked so many questions to you.
Yes.
Although the questions were very simple to answer because it's your first video and you're performing very well. And now I would like to say that you have to ask some questions. You should also have the ability of asking questions. At the same time, it is also important, okay? You may proceed with the help of chapters.
Are you bound to play outside?
No, I am not bound to play outside. Even I am not interested in playing outside. I keep staying at my home.
Okay. Are you desirous of to beat? Are you desirous of beating your brother?
I am not desirous of beating my brother, but I am desirous of beating you.
Are you able to walk?
Yes, I am able to walk. Should I walk?
Are you able to record video?
Absolutely, I am recording a video. Just see the camera. Hi. See?
Hi. Are you able to write on board?
Absolutely, I am able to write on board and I can write anything on the board. Even I can make your sketch.
Okay.
Ask. Just think. Don't worry. Take your time and think the
It
question.
is likely to rain outside.
Is it likely to rain?
Is it likely to rain outside?
I'll have to check that. Is it? Yeah, it's likely to rain outside.
Are you fond of wearing watch?
Yeah. I am fond of wearing watch, but for the time being, I don't have any watch. If you can gift me, so it would be better.
Can you come at my home?
For sure, I can come at your home. Just first, you have to call me.
Okay. Can you go Abhi's house?
Yeah, I can go Abhi's house. But if I have any work, then I will go Abhi's house. Otherwise, why would I go?
Can Abhi beat you?
I think Abhi can never beat me.
Okay. Is Arpit your best friend?
No, no. You are asking truly great questions. No one ever asked me like this. Great. You are using your mind and your words and great. Sorry, what did you ask?
Is Arpit your best friend?
No, Arpit is not my best friend. Arpit is one of my best students.
Can you tell in 5 to 6 who's your best child?
In 5 to 6 batch, who is my best student? I cannot declare this, and this is not a good habit, by the way.
Okay.
Being a teacher, we have to take care of all the students. Whether you are good at studies, whether you are bad at studies, we have to teach all of you.
Okay. And can you tell which batch is premium?
Which batch is medium? Medium in size or sorry?
No, premium.
Premium batch. There is nothing like premium, but if you compare yourself to other batches, so the 7 to 8 batch is a batch where
Okay.
I open up with the students.
Okay. Mm.
Are you done with questions? It
Yes.
was a great conversation with you. I'm so happy to see you like this. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and hit the subscribe button. So would you like to say something to the audience?
Yes, subscribe this channel.
Please subscribe the channel.